I am learning how to graft, how to grow different varieties of fruit on one tree. If you want to know how I grow these apples on one branch, these apples on the second branch, these apples on the third branch, if you want to know how I do it, keep watching. I will be doing side graft on this small homegrown pink lady apple, which is about 1.5 years old. I have just put it in a pot, taking it out of the ground. The winter is approaching very fast. Before I start grafting, I have wiped all my tools with the antibacterial wipes. I will be using 3 different varieties, which will be the Cox-Pippin Orange, Braeburn and L-Star. And I am using the method side graft. Although this is not the best time of the year for grafting. So for side grafting, you make a cut at about 45-degree angle into the rootstock. Then take the knife out and another cut slightly above it, which should take a smaller wedge out of the cut. If you look at it, a little bit of the chip which I have taken out, that much wood, if you take it out, it helps the scion to sit properly without putting too much stress on the rootstock. So the variety I am using is Cox-Pippin Orange. For that type of graft, you give a longer cut at the scion. Just give a back cut which should be smaller in length. So that is the front cut, that is the back cut. The front cut, that side should go towards the tree, towards the rootstock side, and the smaller cut should be staying out. Push the scion in until it fits into its place. Make sure that the cambium is meeting the cambium. Put a bandage around. That will, for the time being, it will keep it in its place. So the one graft is complete. I will cut the top of it, leaving 3 buds. Now twist its side a bit. It is the turn for the Braeburn variety. You need to, using the same method, you need to make another cut at 40-45 degree angle. Take a little bit chip out, give one cut at the back and a longer cut on the other side. Push it down, making sure that the cambium of the scion meets the cambium of the rootstock. That will hold it in its place for the time being. I'll cut the extra scion because it is too long. So the Braeburn variety has been grafted. You twist it to another side and we'll make another cut at about 40-45 degree angle. Take the knife out and make another cut just slightly above it, taking a bit of wood out, which could help. That bit is enough. Make a longer cut at one side and a back cut. That is the back cut and that is the front cut. So the longer cut should stay in. The cambiums on both sides are in touch with each other. Go around it. That is a temporary bandage. One round, the second round will lock it, and then you can go around it, just adding a gentle pressure. You can also put the tape once in the middle, going that way, and the second time in the opposite direction, and that will complete one of the bandages. Now I'll have to repeat the same process, remaining two grafts. That is the second one round, and with the second it is locked. You can keep adding bit of gentle pressure every time you go around. The second bandage is complete. Now time for the third one. that is complete. I was going to forget, that is sealing the middle of all these grafts, just to make sure that any rainwater, any condensation doesn't go in. Also seal the top of the scion as well, and that process should be completed on each graft, making sure that in the middle there is no gap. Cover the top. And I will reduce the size of it as well, and that will complete this graft with the 3 nice beautiful varieties. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.